Ravencoin, currently trading about 10 cents, guys, with a huge market cap of 1 billion. It is number 92 on the list. But before trading or hodling this coin, guys, what is Ravencoin? So Ravencoin is a digital peer-to-peer network that aims to implement a use case specific to the blockchain. This is used mainly for transferring asset from one person or one party to another. Okay, so since we know what it is, transferring one asset to another, where can you guys trade or hodl this at? They're on Binance, Huobi Global, Get.io, Bittrex, Bybit. Let me see, Probit, Global. So some of the big ones, I don't see Coinbase at all. Let me see. Nope, I don't see Coinbase, but they're on some other big platforms. So trading and hodling is available. Let's see their price rating, guys. They get a B on stable outlook. So when you look at this chart right here, I'll make it a little higher. So it got in the 43%. So that's pretty high. It's a little bit above middle compared to all the other cryptocurrencies. That's pretty darn good. I tell you, like, it is amazing to have a price rating for one, and that means a third party looked at it, and you have some other, you know, verification that this cryptocurrency isn't fake. It's not a meme coin. It's not something just pulled out of thin air. So it is something that's real. So that's something I like to have. I like cryptocurrencies that have ratings over than others. Well, let's get into some of the news, guys. So the news I did find was on a different website, but if you want to find news in general about what's happening with cryptocurrency or about Ravencoin, just check out this article. These articles, on coinmarketcap.com. Let's check out their website. Now, the website I actually like. I'm going to show you a couple screenshots. Just show the rest of their screen. So if you guys want to get on their updates, you can actually join this right here and just type your email in, click Amount of Robot, and you get all their news updates. Now, the community tab is pretty easy. Like, you click on that, and you can find all the different tabs to talk to people about what's happening with Ravencoin. And also, how do you want to mine it? If you want to mine this cryptocurrency, this is on their website. Just go to Raven. I have it just posted below. Here's all the miners that you can get a part of. So if you're into mining, check this out right here. Also, if you look at their ledger, you can look at their and download and install ledger.live to see the ledger. If you're into that stuff right there. And this is an article that I found on, was it CoinFi, about it hitting $1 on how it's possible. That's a different breakdown, different analysis in Ravencoin that I will do. So let's get to their Twitter page, guys. So here's their Twitter page with 80,000 followers. Very interesting stuff that you want to get into the updates and stuff. So if you guys want to do all that, you can do it. So also follow me on Twitter. I am Andre McClendon on there, and I talk about a lot of politics stuff that I don't do so much on this channel. But if you want to follow me, talking about politics, investing, money, trading, all that stuff, follow me on there, and let's get to the price prediction, guys. So my last price prediction, I talked about it going up from this price here, and then possibly heading back down, and then it did go back down. It kind of popped back up, but it went down lower. So if you are trading this, you probably got stopped out, because there's a lot of volatility, a lot of movement, especially on the downside. So if you shorted it, then you're doing pretty good, and you exit your position up here. But if not, I would say this. So we're going to start off fresh and modify this right here. And looking at the super trend, how the super trend is reading red. And it seems like it's at the switch over to green. And we are going to break this down right here. So the current price right here is actually down right here. So this is not too bad. And this is how I'm going to play this out, guys. We know that this movement down here, if you look at the 7 cents, 8 cents level, that this big support level took off. We also know that a big order, whoever bought on this big massive wick, the 6 cents level, and it pushed up, we know that their orders are still alive. They took some profits off, but they're not completely out of the game. See, right here? This is showing that it did slow down and is catching back up for these orders here. So whoever bought here, that's that money line. That's what a lot of people took a lot of orders, and I would bet that they want this price to go higher to close out this, to make the spread, because looking at it, they almost kind of doubled their money, a little bit, maybe close to doubling their money. So here, what I believe is going to happen is this, and I'll show you my plan. Let me get my arrow out. And remember, guys, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It happens. Just when trading, set price alerts and also do proper risk management. Don't throw everything on one trade. Risk 1%, 2%, a half a percent on each trade, and then you can manage taking small losses. You can double your account in one trade and take 5 small losses, to get another 20%. Take 2, 3, 4, 5 small losses, triple the account, whatever, something like that. Just manage your risk. Make a plan for entry, make a plan for managing the trade, then make the plan for exiting. 3 parts in these things. If you're not done properly, you might never have any realized gains. So currently that we are going down right here. Now, we might not head down so low, maybe a little bit lower, but I think the overall trend is going to be higher. So if we go down a little bit lower, maybe down to the 9 cents, this is where like a buy stop would be preferable. So for me, that's what we're looking at, doing a buy stop and making the prices, my price prediction, up to this high up here. So let's go up here. Let's break this down. Oh, where's my square? In a second. Rectangle. Now we're not too far from this price. And this zone is basically like I would say almost 14 cents. So that's my price prediction, is 14 cents. Price prediction, 14 cents, okay? Now, if it goes down here, I'm not going to place a buy stop. I'm going to start a buy limit. I'm going to place price alerts here. So price alerts, if it hits the, say, 10 cents level, price alert. And if it goes up to here, to this 12 cents level, that's where I'm going to place my buy stop up here. I want to catch it in the trend and not so much down there. Because if I'm wrong and it goes down lower, hypothetically, then I'm not in the trade. And I'm doing price alerts. Setting myself up. So if it heads down to here, then I can readjust it. I can do another video explaining what my new plan will be. Because remember, I'm only wrong not with hard money. I'm wrong on price alerts. That's fine. That means I'm not losing anything. It's actually really, it makes it very convenient. Because if the price keeps on going down, one, I'm not going to short it, because I don't like shorting crypto at all. Maybe outside like a Bitcoin, I short Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin on MetaTrader 4, but that's it. Nothing else. I won't short anything else. But when it comes to Ravencoin right here specifically, if it does go down, I set my price alerts. So if it hits down to 10 cents, I'm going to watch it. If it bounces up a little bit, but it goes down, head down lower, down to the 7 cents, once again, price alerts. I'll set that up so if it hits this resistance level, then I can look at buying at the support zone or doing a small buy stop here. So if it bounces off the support zone, heads up higher, I can get into it. Here, let me show you guys on the screen. There. So if it hits the 7-8 cents level down here at the support, I can wait for it. If it bounces up, I can get into a buy stop, because I don't want to get into it immediately because it might break this low and head down lower. And then you don't want to be putting hard money on that. You want to limit your risk as much as possible. So my first price, price prediction is 14 cents up here. But if I'm wrong and it heads down to 7 cents, then basically 8 cents. It's like 7.9, 7 cents and 9. Then I'm going to do a buy stop up here, catching it on the bounce up higher. Now, guys, that's my price prediction. If you guys ask more questions about it, just drop a comment below. We can have a conversation about my plan. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It happens in trading. You're not going to be 100% right, but you want to minimize your losses. So one big win, like I talked about a big win I did in H-bar. So that was a huge win. So huge win on that. Then small loss, small loss, small loss. Big win, small loss, big win. So that's my plan, guys. Let's get to my website. Here's my website, andrejmcclennan.com. If you want to learn more about trading, investing, using my trading course, you guys can check that out. My one-on-one trading mentorship, you guys can also have that. It's a one-on-one, maybe sometimes two-on-one, an hour to 2 hours every single day for 30 days. And we talk about trading. I talk about trading, how to trade Forex, some programming if you're interested in that. Just DM me on my website, and we can have that conversation. Also, that's the trading course, and here's some stuff about precious metals. We'll learn more about the gold and silver statistics. Just click on it. I have a lot of things listed. I'm adding more to the website, so please stay tuned. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.